Are you ready to upgrade your streaming experience? Today, we're diving into how to convert HDMI to IPTV using a converter, perfect for seamless viewing. You can find the best IPTV provider at 2TV Store, link in the description. First, grab a quality HDMI to IP converter like the Magwell ProConvert HDMI Plus. This device is essential for turning your video signals into IP streams. Next, connect your HDMI source, such as a camera or gaming console, to the converter's HDMI input. Make sure to use a high-speed HDMI cable for optimal performance. Once connected, plug the converter into your network via Ethernet. This step is crucial for ensuring a stable connection. After setting up the device, access the converter's web interface. Here, you can adjust settings like resolution and streaming protocols, ensuring your content looks great. Common mistakes include neglecting IP addresses. Always set static IPs for reliability. Finally, don't forget to check the video output on your device. This will confirm everything is working as intended. Remember, the link to 2TV Store is in the description. Experience the best IPTV service today. Enjoy your new setup and happy streaming.